Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. We are live. It is Thursday, August 27th. Just taking a quick look here at Financial Juice, making sure we got an idea of what's going on the news side of things. Let's see here. Looks like we don't have any news today, but we do have non-farm payroll and Fed Chair Warsh speech tomorrow morning. So there's that. We had some Canadian U.S. job losses claims. This was pre-market retail inventories, so nothing really specific. We do have Fed's Hammock speaking this morning. Good morning, good morning. 3 people in YouTube so far, 6 people in X. Getting going here. Taking a quick look at the book map here, we do have some contracts below on the book here. 29,515, 29,500. Mixed bag here also. Yeah, so 29,505, 29,490, 29,600. Looks like there's 103 contracts above on the NQ here. Kind of in a down channel here, which is typically going to be a bullish channel. We got some accumulation happening here, basically. Feeling like if this is going to play out like we normally think, this is a accumulation here. They're just collecting a bunch of shares before they're going to go higher, probably, since these ones typically break out to the upside. We've been relatively bullish. Would have been a pretty easy trade in Asia last night if you guys would have caught this breakout or break back down towards the closure of the gap here. So we did close the gap there on that move back down, then we actually swept into a little bit lower. So this fair value gap seems to be fairly strong. Hopped up here, now we're kind of doing that another accumulation here. So we might break out the bottom a little bit, you know, pull back into maybe into the 500s area, or potentially 450 before we break out higher. So we'll try to be slow here, patient in the morning, and see what's going to come from this price action here. Because we are well above previous day's point of control. I don't think I set my midnight open price yet. Here, what is that? 2100 right there. So we're basically sitting right on midnight open price right now. That's interesting. We got anybody in the chat? What's up? Are you guys doing any trades yet? Are you guys been flat this morning? How was pre-market? Looking at ES here, we're holding above previous day high. And then we got the Dow. Dow's all the way down below previous day low. Turned pretty bearish. And NQ now, we're still well above previous day high. So we got ES sitting on previous day high, and we got NQ well above previous day high. So NQ is definitely more bullish out of the other contracts. We got about a little bit less than 5 minutes here till the bell. Gonna post the stream in the Discord here. Hey, all day today, how are you? Thanks for your thoughts. Hopefully things are still going well in your family member. I currently am trying to wrap my head around the chart. Yeah, today, definitely it's an ongoing thing for sure, learning trading and charting and everything. So hang in there, slow and steady. Try not to spend too much money in your learning stages, right? Yeah, so typically these angled down channels typically turn bullish, right? So once a bell happens here, we might get a manipulation below it and then end up going higher after that. I'm gonna try to wait the first 15 minutes here before we take any trades, unless it's looking super juicy, but I'll have to see how that goes once it starts happening. Yeah, but if you're newer, right, I would definitely recommend checking out ES, because ES doesn't move quite as much. So if you we can take a look at the ES chart here real quick on Bookmap. So bit of a mixed bag, but looks like the larger chunk of contracts are actually below 76.90. We do have some up at 77.34, 77.40, 77.45, and then the closer contracts is 77.20, 77.10. But NQ is definitely looking like the more bullish contract at the moment. Still holding up higher, well above previous day high. ES is kind of right near previous day high. The Dow's kind of popping up here right now, pre-market. We got about a minute till the bell here. Hey, EC Drive, how are you? Good morning. How's it going? Yeah, let's make this money. Let's make this money. About 30 seconds here till the bell. Good luck, everybody. Stay sharp. Keep the size down, you know. Patience today, yes. Yes. Can't agree more. So we got about 5 seconds here to the bell, so there's a bit of our manipulation lower there. Right back to the VWAP here. Popping up here a bit, looking like we're heading towards the orders at 600. Didn't quite get there. Back down to the 200 EMA here. Yeah, 100-point whip like nothing. Yeah. Getting that manipulation lower here. Pretty nasty price action, guys. Back up to the 200 EMA. Yeah, I usually try to wait for the first 15 minutes all day today. Hey Jerry, good morning. How are you? How's your pre-market going? Jerry, did you take any trades yet this morning? No trades, was outside watching sunrise and tea. Good music. Nice, Freddie. Killer. I like it. Don't try to catch a knife. Keep repeating this to myself. Yes, good call, good call. Yeah, wait for a bullish candle sort of to close, and then you're in a better situation to be trying to go long, right? Don't catch a knife. Don't catch a knife. Advantage of the cooler mornings on the west coast. Too hot for the rest of the day. Yeah. I didn't take some trades last night and I'm green, so definitely no pressure this morning. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful. Trying to be patient here. We are holding this level pretty decently so far. Kind of not sure though. We might just be holding out here for a minute before we end up making a new low. Seems like sellers are definitely in control here. Definitely hot during the day, but I noticed it's getting cooler in the mornings, so it gets better slowly. Yeah. All right, we're kind of trading back into the range here. We got about 5 minutes left here till the 15-minute opening range is set. Our low is sort of 440. Our high so far is 588. Popping up into this bearish fair value gap up to the 9 EMA. There's an overnight VWAP. Still just pumping straight back up here, guys. All right, we're creating a pretty big wick to the off of that rejection of the 200 EM or the overnight VWAP. Sort of back to the top of the channel high there. Trying to hold overnight low. Is that what it was? Overnight low down at 403. Bit of resistance here at the overnight VWAP, which is also right at the midnight open price here. Where's our nearest? Okay, so we have this 15-minute inverted fair or bearish fair value gap above one below, so we can't. That's why I think we're getting a bit of a mixed bag here. Ooh, big pop there to the top side, guys. All right, looks like they're going to the 600s now. Boom. Hey, Andrea, good morning. How are you? How are you? Good morning. Good morning. getting going here. Wicked you out, hit daily loss limit and went to max profit. 150% mad. Ah, yeah. Yo, remember we had that boom yesterday too? Yeah. That sucks, Andrea. I'm sorry to hear that. Don't be mad at yourself. You know, these things happen. You know, price was looking so strong out of the gate there. I could see it was hard to hold back, to not get long. Let me log into my top 1 futures account here. Oh, the rest of your accounts are max profit? There you go. Nice. Beautiful. That's awesome. So we are breaking above opening range high here. 590. Stalling out here at the 600s. Well, that was the manipulation that I was talking about this channel here, guys. So we kind of trending down, needed our bit of a, this is a bit of accumulation. They manipulated lower, and now we're heading up higher here. Now we could get a retest here. That would strengthen the position of the longs here, as if we sort of pull back to the VWAPs or to the top of this channel and then start bouncing from there. Obviously, if we just go straight back down to the lows, I mean, that's not great either. Not a great situation there. Just like that. That's not good. That's not what is good. But the rest. Hey, Andrea, we love you too. We love you too. All the way straight back down here. What the heck, hey? $100 like nothing. Yeah, the market's going bananas. Totally agree. Where was that 15-minute? Oh yeah, so this is that 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We have this one here too, but oh, we closed below that actually. So This market is crazy, guys. It's crazy. It is wild. Looks like we're gonna take the lows down here. Oh, I'm not really liking this price action though. What do we do here? Manage to lock in $100. Now just staying out till initial balance. Allow price to cool off. Yeah, I don't blame you, man. Like this is, look at that thing, eh? Like, I mean, I'm looking at the 15. Even if you look at the fives here, straight down, back up a bit, all the way back up, straight all the way back down. Now we're going all the way back up. Like, what the heck, man? Catch you all next time. KEC. Sounds good, buddy. Well, that's it for me. Locked one green, one red. No need to save the world in one day. Yeah, fair enough, brother. Have a great day. Have a great day. Good job, Skeletor. Were you in the pre-market, Skeletor, and how did that go for you? You take any trades? How did Nick do? For you new traders, try to stay out of this as much as possible. No FOMO. I know, right? I mean, it's moving a lot. You could make a lot of you can make a lot of profit, but in the same sense, if you get in at the wrong time, you can just get so damaged so bad, right? Hanging out here at the midnight open price. Even the book map doesn't know what's going on. Not a whole lot of orders above or below at the moment. Yeah. Now's a decent time to try your strategy with a paper account. See if it actually can work at the open. But obviously right here we've been straight down, straight back up, straight back down, straight back up, like and not a small amount of moves either too, right? Like look at this. 105 points up and down, basically. Right, Angia? I know. It's definitely a love-hate relationship with the NQ guys.
Night. Nasdaq open. Market butcher on the screen.
6:53 a.m. and you're done for the day. Nice, Jerry. What did you do? Did you take a long there off the lows or what?
W's in the chat. Let's trade. Let's trade.
I know you're grateful, but sometimes it's frustrating, right, Angia? I know you're grateful for what you did grab out of the market today. Yeah, Jerry's done. So we got 11 people in YouTube and 12 in X.
LFG.
Thanks for hitting that like button, everybody. I appreciate you guys. Try to get us out there to more people. Got 6 likes in the morning so far. Good start, good start. Lots of people staying out of the market first thing in the morning usually lately. I mean, it's a smart thing to do. Look at what we're doing here. So we're kind of like stuck in the channel now. You took too long on ES? Nice, Jerry. Nice, buddy. Heading right back down here again. Like, what the heck? Looks like the price isn't moving quite as far as it was a few minutes ago. Jerry, big boy's active. So we're basically back to the VWAP here, and the 200 EMA lining up bottom of the channel here. Well, there's the rest of the bearish move, guys. Back out below the bottom of this channel, like what the heck? Value area low 47, 470, regular trading hours. Thanks, Wayne. Used to think when the man never being wrong. Now I know survival is what keeps you strong. Stop, get set, okay, I'm gone. Capital protected tomorrow, we're on. FOMO calling, but I let that ring. This money never cost me anything. No revenge trade, no doubling down. If I lose my edge, then I'm shutting it down. And one clean setup comes into view. VWAP be holding and the volume comes through. Risk stay small, but the target gets wide. This is the moment, now let it ride. One loss, that ain't the story. Stay calm, stay locked on just the glory. When the rhythm starts and the tape gets 464. Kind of broke down below that so far. The advantage of MES, it takes a need urge to chase big trades, just a few points. Nice, Jerry. That's awesome. Yeah. You're long down there? Yeah, looks like buyers are trying to bounce us here. Just dip by, old dog. Yeah. Is it just a dip by an old dog? Dip by and doggy dog.
Charts on the screen, coffee getting cold, but the setup looks clean. Price at the level, I know what I see. I don't need to trade, let the trade come to me. Some days I'm right, some days I'm wrong. Some days that runner just keeps running on. Some days I cut it and watch it reverse, but chasing that candle only makes it worse. I've had green days, some red real fast. Have bad trades, teach me more than the cash. You can't control what the market would do. You only control what you're willing to lose. One win, one loss, that ain't the story. Stay calm, stay locked, don't chase the glory. When the rhythm starts and the tape gets moving, I know my moving, I know what I'm doing. Momentum, momentum, when it comes out, I'm ready. Hands on the wheel, keep the heartbeat steady. Win some, lose some, still don't let it break me out.
Potential unfair lows. I'm still super mad. Hey, just stay flat, stay flat. MES is something I have to start looking at. I started with MNQ and have been stuck here learning. Mustang mentioned that to me this morning. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, ES is it's a little less wild. Let's just put it that way. You're gonna start your weekend, K Anja. Yeah, be careful. Take it easy. Take it easy. You locked all your accounts? Nice. Hey, good for you. TP1 near the VWAP? Overnight VWAP? Yeah. So you're looking at 29,531 for your first TP.
Red on the screen doesn't mean that I fail. Green on the screen doesn't mean that I nail. One trade never decides who I am. There's thousands of choices, all part of the plan. I don't chase highs, I don't fear lows. I wait for my moment, and when it comes, I go. Momentum, momentum, yeah. Now we're moving with it all day. Now the market is choosing. Win some, lose some. That's the game that we play. Protect the downside, let the trade another day. Momentum, momentum, let the winners run. One clean trade can change what the whole day's done.
What time do we got here? Oh, this is a new hourly candle, hey? You took it at VWAP? Nice. Hey, Skeletor. Ralph's doing good. He's out cold right now. Living a dog's life, you know. Cute little guy. Almost tapped the view up there again. Yeah, we did. We tapped it now.
Woke up early, charts on the screen. Coffee getting cold, but the setup looks clean. Price at the level, I know what I see. I don't need to trade, let the trade come to me. Some days I'm right, some days I'm wrong. Some days that runner just keeps running on. Some days I cut it and watch it reverse, but chasing that candle only makes it worse. I've had green days, some red real fast. Have bad trades, teach me more than the cash. You can't control what the market would do. You only control what you're willing to lose. One win, one loss, that ain't the story. Stay calm, stay locked, don't chase the glory. When the rhythm starts and the tape
Nice job. Nice job. Well, we're just sort of going sideways here over and over and over here, guys. Now we're closed above the overnight VWAP. Developing value area high 5540 of 554. Unfair highs hit, took TP2. There you go, nice. Very nice.
Green on the screen doesn't mean that I nail. One trade never decides who I am. There's thousands of choices, all part of the plan. I don't chase highs, I don't fear lows. I wait for my moment, and when it comes, I go. Momentum, momentum, yeah. Now we're moving with it all day. Now the market is choosing, win some, lose some. That's the game that we play. Protect the downside, let the trade another day. Momentum, momentum, let the winners run. One clean trade can change what the whole day's done.
I'm not sure. I'm waiting for something to happen here, some price to happen here. We can get into a trade. So far, it's like still just looking like we're just going to go back down. I don't know. Yeah, looks like we're going to go back down now. Nasty price, guys. Nasty. How you doing, sir? Good, Angia. Got the dip long at low a day. Nice job, Wayne. Nice job. Dip buying dog.
Yeah, woke up early, charts on the screen. Coffee getting cold, but the setup looks clean. Price at the level, I know what I see. I don't need to trade, let the trade come to me. Some days I'm right, some days I'm wrong. Some days that runner just keeps running on. Some days I cut it and watch it reverse, but chasing that candle only makes it worse. I've had green days, turn red real fast. Have bad trades, teach me more than the cash you can't control. What the market would do, you only control what you're willing to lose. One win, one loss, that ain't the story. Stay calm, stay locked, don't chase the glory. When the rhythm starts and the tape gets moving, I know
I would like to see us actually break out of this thing here, and then we can think about getting into a trade here. Lone Wolf 296 for the day. Nice job, right? Wow. Looks like major downside risk to you, so only scalping long. Yeah. Looks like a rotational day.
Used to think when the men never being wrong. Now I know survival is what keeps you strong. Stop, get hit, okay, I'm gone. Capital protected tomorrow, we're on. FOMO calling, but I let that ring. Miss money never cost me anything. No revenge trade, no doubling down. If I lose my edge, then I'm shutting it down. And one clean setup comes into
Yeah, quite a bit of downside to potential here. Yeah, we do have the 80% setup down to the POC 29,217. Hey, Night Build Audio. There was no session last night. We'll be on tonight for Asia. Locking it up green, nice.
Green on the screen doesn't mean that I nail. One trade never decides who I am. There's thousands of choices, all part of the plan. I don't chase highs, I don't fear lows. I wait for my moment, and when it comes, I go. Momentum, momentum, yeah. Now we're moving, waited all day. Now the market is choosing, win some, lose some. That's the game that we play. Protect the downside, live the trade another day. Momentum, momentum, let the winners run. One clean trade can change what the whole day's done. Done, done, done. I've been high, I've been low, and I finally know you don't have to catch everything. Just catch it when it goes. Take the win, take the loss, pay the cost, shake it off. Next trade, new day, same rules, same way. When it comes, ride the momentum.
Sunday giveaway. Remember, join our evening stream. Yeah.
Ride the momentum.
Thanks, Andrea. Night Build Audio's the man. Come on, let's get a BC here, guys. Let's please.
Been down, watched it all turn around, but I know one thing now. Don't fight the momentum. Yeah. Woke up early,
Come on,
saw
let's go
some screen,
greens.
coffee
Let's
getting
go
cold,
greens.
the setup looks clean. Price
Keep
at the
pushing.
level, I know what I see. I don't need to
Solid
trade,
out here at this 560 area.
some days I'm
We got
wrong,
orders
some
at
days I
575 and up to 600.
Some days I cut it and watch it reverse, but chasing that candle only makes it worse. I've had green days, some red real fast, had bad trades, teach me more than the cash. You can't control what the market would do, you only control what you're willing to lose. One win, one loss, that ain't the story. Stay calm, stay locked, don't chase the glory. When the rhythm starts and the tape gets moving, I know my moment, I know
I will deem you if you win the giveaway.
momentum. When it comes out, I'm ready. Hands on the wheel, keep the heartbeat steady. Win some, lose some, still don't let it break me. I don't need every move, just the one that pays me. Momentum, momentum, let the winners run. Red day, green day, tomorrow still comes. I've been high, been low, but one thing I know, when the market starts moving, I go with the flow. Got that momentum, got that momentum. Take the loss, take the win, reset.
Good idea, Night Build. It's that's what I'm thinking too here. It's nice that we're starting to pop up here above midnight open price, but if it's anything like what happened earlier, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to head back down. So
Calling, but I let that ring. This money never cost me anything. No revenge trade, no
patience is the smart move at the moment.
down and one clean setup comes into view. VWAP holding in the volume comes through. Risk stay small, but the target gets wide. This is the moment, now let it ride. One win, one loss, that ain't the story. Stay calm, stay locked, don't chase the glory. When the rhythm starts and the tape gets moving, I know my moment, I know what I'm doing. Momentum.
All the way up to 75s here. Finding some resistance here. We do have some buy volume balls here. 67 contracts, 102 contracts on the way up here.
Just the one that pays me. Momentum, momentum, let the winners run. Red day, green day, tomorrow still comes.
Open was ridiculous. I have two FFF 25k evals right now and a free giveaway may have 10k two-step. Oh, interesting. Never even heard of that.
Green on the screen doesn't mean that I nail. One trade never decides who I am. There's thousands of choices, all part of the plan. I don't chase highs, I don't fear lows. I wait for my moment, and when it comes, I go. Momentum, momentum, yeah. Now we're moving, waited all day. Now the market is choosing, win some, lose some. That's the game that we play. Protect the downside, live the trade another day. Momentum, momentum, let the winners run. One clean trade can change what the whole day's done. Done, done, done. I've been high, I've been low, and I finally know you don't have to catch everything. Just catch it when it goes. Take the win, take the loss, pay the cost, shake it off. Next trade, new
Grinding our way up here to the 600s.
comes, ride the momentum.
600, 650.
Ride the momentum.
Trying to understand absorption and CVD. We're finally just got back to positive CVD here. We've been pretty much in the negative CVD since the start of the. Well, we did pop out of it earlier a little bit too, actually. Up to 300, up to 5,600 actually. This was just after the open, and then kind of like been in negative CBD for quite some time here. But finally popping up here. We're back into negative a little bit here on this little pullback. Oh my god. One in MNQ went long near -2 Ds. Regular trading hours at unfair lows, as Dave would say. Location, location, location. Yeah. The real estate agent in me says. Yeah, it's pretty good, eh? I like this one. Thanks. Oh, I was listening to your Violated by VWAP song. Oh, that one's a good one. I like that one. Oh my god. I don't like Tradeify, lol. I took my account. I look at my account and it shows correct, but when I look at the journal, it doesn't have trades posted like I didn't trade, but my account totals are correct. Maybe it just has a delay on the journal. Hey, there's Nick. Good morning.
Kind of craziness are you listening to over here? Some of that night belt audio.
Did you see that one in the Discord?
Yeah.
I'm like,
Wasn't that the one that you were playing yesterday?
Yeah, except for I think that one I think he remixed it a bit. So
Oh, okay.
I do have Violated Jim's view up here. I don't know if it's the same though, but the other one's pretty good. It's got code MBT, which it is code butcher, but appreciate the song though. Let me get this banner out of the way here.
So we're gonna be making some barcodes here today, or what?
It looks like it so far. I didn't do it. CVD expert here. I advise you to use it for confirmation rather than looking for absorption. It's not even showing the trades from Monday or Tuesday. Oh, Lone Wolf, that's weird. I'll have to change that then. Dang it. What is that? I don't know what you have to change, Night Bill. I missed the comment there. Hey Tim, good morning.
I think changing your code.
Oh yeah. Yeah, code butcher. But it sounds good, like code MBT, and that song just sounds really good. I was like, geez, maybe I should have just left it MBT. Well, we're at opening range, pretty close to opening range high here. We are basically kind of rejecting opening range high. We saw MBT in the promotional channel. Oh yeah, maybe I need to change that actually then. That's on the Discord, right?
Watch the volume, watch the pace, feels the tension, face to face, risk defined before the click, set intention nice and thick. If she flips, he just adapts, so rides that wave, letting VWAP snap. Now, in, out, watch, wait, Jim.
How was pre-market, Nick?
Took a couple of trades, was up like in total on each account. I think I was up like maybe $60 or so.
Okay, nice. I got a bit
Nothing
of a
big.
mixed bag from some last night's trades. I'm up 114 in my Blue Sky account, but then my two top one futures accounts are both down 232. So unfortunately, trying to wait for something here to tell us, like, yeah, are we gonna just continue chopping? Or are we gonna go higher? Are we gonna go lower? Like, we have an 80% set up here, so previous day's point of control 29,216. But then we've been in this, you know, obviously we've been pretty bullish on NQ. We were in a downward trending channel, which typically breaks out to the top side. So, you know, are we going to be running up for these 29,657 area? Could possibly. Oh yeah, night build. Yeah, those are some old comments. So oh yeah, and then he said, "Oh, Code Butcher is what it is." So oh, jeez, yeah, I gotta update that channel because a lot of it says code MBT. Just want to wake everybody up a bit.
Good morning. All right, I'm in my NQ long here, locking in $40.
Nice, nice.
All right, I just took 50 on that, so
Nice, nice. Little Tower of Power vibes. Yeah. It was funny. My dad was in the stream and he's like, "Can you make some sort of like 70s type music?" I'm
oh
like,
hell yeah!
Sure, sure. And this is kind of what came out of it.
I want to hear some funk,
Pretty upbeat.
like some Bootsy Collins in here.
Yeah. I'm just gonna use the bathroom real quick. Be right back.
looking at Bookmap, I'm thinking might be a little bit of an uptrend today. And 280 orders sitting at 29,650. Another 198 at 29,700. 220 at 30,000.
On the screen, money in the machine. Trade smart, trade safe, and keep that beat.
Got 8,800 in volume on this 1 minute candle here.
Whoa.
It's up
So
above the standard 2 deviation for New York VWAP.
Market's open, baby.
Got a little bit of resistance at 620.
Green on the screen, money in the machine. Everybody say green, 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 green. P&L.
Are you in a long right now?
I was. I took 40 bucks out of it,
Okay.
or 50 bucks out of it.
Oh, that was that other previous one, eh?
Oh yeah, you
Yeah.
were here for that. Now I'm just looking. I'm waiting. I'm watching.
Looking, waiting, watching.
Waiting and watching.
Man, that was a volatile open there. Holy crap. You know, down 100 points, up 100 points, down 100 points, up 100 points, down 100 points. Like, Jesus. If only I was good with, like, reversals. That would be amazing, hey?
Yeah, right.
Like, go short, reverse it. Go, then you're long, and then reverse it. And go short. It's like, woo, woo, woo. 1 minute MNQ volume spike. Is it demand or supply? CBD is positive 2,300 now. Sitting right on the 600s here.
Yeah, Bookmap's got a 240 orders at 650 right now.
Yeah. Initial balance set. Bears coming back in here.
Gonna be another real hard day to trade or what?
It's been August.
It's August.
Yeah, it's kind of.
This is what we this is the price we pay for the choices we've made.
Momentum. Wonder if we're gonna get a retest here of sort of 550 area.
Yeah, it's gonna start pushing up now. That's just my thought.
I heard Ralph just like do a big yawn. He's like, "Ah, ow." Hey, buddy. Good morning.
Was he singing?
Yeah. Can I tell you what the IB high and low is? Yeah. So the initial balance high is gonna be the 725. So we got the initial balance high is 29,622, and the IB low is 29,424.
9:30 rings and we're ready to roll. Charts on fire and we're feeling that soul. VWAP dancing, price looking fine.
You are welcome. Very much so.
Another crack it ain't cute, don't gone dark. I tagged the clothes, left a mark. First light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. Boom was still, jaws tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back. I've been dodging NQ trickery, trying not to snap too fast. Now the candles start to print right where the stops were placed. Maybe edge was never forced at all. Maybe it was just patience with the face.
Well, I was right about it pushing up a little bit, but
Yeah.
it came right back down. All right. Well, made $25 on that long.
Every whip took a
When weakness appears, it appears on up bars. They don't tell you much. They don't tell you which bars, those dogs.
Oh, if it only it was that easy.
Short on the retest of the supply zone.
Some days aren't about the win, they're about not doubling down. Licking wounds, keeping receipts, and coming back when the take cools down. One more look, there's no rush to be. NQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's baiting or testing me. Enough fussing every candle.
Short on it. Oh yeah, Wayne's short. Yeah.
If peace feels like anything, it's
That's why we call him Napoleon.
and a better.
Wayne Napoleon number 2. Usually the dip buying dog, and right now he's just the pop selling dog. The high volume at high day, Dave. Yeah, that's true. This this next 5-minute candle is a pretty high volume.
First light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. Boom was still, jaws tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wide. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head fake and waiting for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back. I've been dodging NQ trickery, trying not
Potential weakness in the immediate background. High day, 1 minute.
to stop the print right where the stops were placed.
Got in my short on NQ.
Maybe it was just patience with the face.
Nice.
Just one micro. I'm not in the mood to risk anything. I'm up for the day so far, so
Yeah. Hey, joy of travel. Hey, how are you?
Chump, every fake out taught me
Everything's going good. How about you?
too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to
Good to see ya.
Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Used to every messy
We got about 26 viewers. Looks like about 12 in YouTube and 14 in X. Pretty decent turnout there. Boys, I'll be back. Gotta walk the dog. Taking a small break. Nice, Scoutor. Nice.
take that break.
And we got 10 likes on the stream so far. Thank you for that, everybody. I appreciate the support.
there's no rush to be. NQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's baiting or testing me. Enough fuss in every candle.
Alright, I just added a micro to this. Stop is break even plus 4.
It's a clean read and a better.
Are you trading in NQ or?
Yeah.
Nice. It is good getting back to trading. Nice, Joy. Nice. This pushing down nicely here for you.
Added one more contract to it.
Yeah, we're pushing down. Looks like we're heading back to the VWAP or the midnight open price and the overnight VWAP. We got the 200 AMA, the overnight VWAP, and the New York VWAP all lining up here. Sort of at 38 area.
Locking in 100.
Another crack it in Q, don't gone dark. Tag the close, left a mark. First light on the second screen. P-now blinking red and green. The room is still, jaws tight. We're playing traps from last night.
And I'm out. Took 110 on that one.
Nice.
Can make a busted plan feel wide. Spent too long leaning on side, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the
We'll post a chart with the high day supply zone in 1 minute.
for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back. I've been dodging NQ trickery, trying not to snap too fast.
Looking to see if we hit 29,643, then I will sell. 43 is the level you're looking at. Oh, we got sort of the pre-market high area on a couple occasions there. Kind of makes sense.
Every whip took a chunk, every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh, show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag, nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Used to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through.
You're short at 577.
Every snap that ripped me open, now what it
Tim? Nice, buddy. That looks good. A new 3-minute candle here starting.
Licking wounds, keeping receipts, and coming back when the tape cools down.
If not, no trade for me. I like your criteria, Joy. Wait for your trade. Take your shot.
I had 2 contracts in RTY long.
How's the RTY looking here? Check it out on the side chart. Okay. You are in a 5-minute bearish fair value gap. But looking pretty decent though.
Now you tell me. Alright, I lost 50 bucks on that one.
$29,550. Pushing back down here. So there's that retest of the 550s I was talking about earlier, but whether or not we're gonna bounce here or what's the deal, I don't know. We do have the trend line sort of from pre-market area. Let's see, maybe this makes sense like that.
Somebody quick, call Tori.
Tori's in the house. What up, Tori?
Not in my house.
For the head faking.
$29,550 is a level that I hope it will go up.
Late night, city lights, I ride in silence. Thinking about the ones who left me in violence. They smile in your face, then cut when you switch. But life got a balance.
Bull's trying to bounce it here a bit. Although they
Yeah, I
haven't
just
been
took an RTY long at 3,840. Locked in 30 bucks. I'm up 75. Added another contract to it. Still have $30 locked in. Locking in 60.
NQ starting to pull back a bit here.
Just added another contract. Locked in 65. All right, I'm locking in 95.
Damn, I accidentally sold some stock when I wanted to add to it. Now I have to wash sale. I hate those. Oh.
All right, locking in 150.
Karma is a bitch, she don't forget. Every little lie, every broken bed. You can hide in the dark, but shit, find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left. Yeah. I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second. Fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke, let the past.
I use the bathroom again here. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. It's one of those mornings.
Too much coffee?
Karma is a bitch, she don't forget. Every little lie, every broken bed. You can run from the truth, but the pain gon' hit. Karma on the right, yeah, she never quits. Yeah, Windows tinted, heart cold, no forgiveness. I just ride with the beat, mind my business, pray for peace. But revenge got a twist, Dondo, don't chase karma, handle this. Yeah, slow ride, no switch. Yeah, life slow, feel the hitch. Yeah, life got rules, ain't no glitch. Remember always karma's that bitch. Yeah.
So I got 3 full-size contracts in RTY right now. Average entry price is at $3,010. We're at $3,012 right now, so I'm up about $304, $305. Sorry. Got 155 locked in. I am expecting this to go up a little bit more, but I got my finger on the flatten all button just in case it starts to pull back. Got my take profit sitting up at 3,019. All right, I'm gonna lock in another. So total, I'm locking in 215 now.
Karma is a bitch, she don't forget. Every little lie, every broken bed. You can run from the truth, but the pain gon' hit. Karma on the right, yeah, she never quits. Yeah,
Got 300 locked in. This is pulling back a little bit. Wow, that just edged my stop loss. See if this candle starts pushing up a little bit more. I'll take my finger off the flatten button. If it comes back down, I'll be happy with my 250. If it continues, so I took 250. All these. All right, that was fun. I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second. Fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke, let the past just itch. Life turn the tables, karma's that bitch. She don't knock, she don't call, she just show up. All the dirt that you did, yeah, it blow up. You can run from the game, but you can't from this. What goes round comes back. Remember this. Karma is a bitch, bitch, she don't forget. Every little lie, every broken bed. You can run from the truth, but the
I don't deal with that nightmare. Somebody else will have to do it for me. Wash sales, yeah, no.
windows tinted.
I want to make the money. I don't want to do
The beat, mind my business, pray for peace.
do the taxes on them for things like, especially for things like wash sales and whatnot. It's nice if you're trading a I'm sorry, a cash futures account though. It is tax advantaged.
Late night, city lights, I ride in silence. Thinking about the ones who left me in violence. They smile in your face and cut when you switch. But life got a balance. Karma's that bitch. Karma is a bitch. She don't forget. Every little lie, every broken bed. You can hide in the dark, but she'll find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left. I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second. Fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke, let the past just itch. Life turn the tables, karma's that bitch. She don't knock, she don't call, she just show up. All the dirt that you did, yeah, it blow up. You can run from the game, but you can't from this. What goes round comes back. Remember this. Karma is a bitch. She don't
Sorry about that, I'm back.
every little lie, every
Looks like we did a whole lot of not much.
You're all good. Not much is happening right now.
Big pump and then heading back down.
Yep.
No? Jesus.
It's going to be another August day
Yeah.
full of choppiness and more choppiness.
I just ride with the beat, mind my business, pray for peace. But revenge got the twist down, though. Don't chase karma, handle this. Slow ride, no switch. Light slow, feel the itch.
1 minute RTY shakeout.
Ain't no glitch.
Well, RTY's looking pretty bullish at the moment.
Go slow. Light slow. Karma don't miss. Late night, city lights, I ride in silence. Thinking about the ones who left me in violence. They smile in your face and cut when you switch. But life got a balance. Karma's that bitch. Karma is a bitch. She don't forget. Every little lie, every broken bed. You can hide in the dark, but she'll find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left. I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second. Fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke, let the past just itch. Life turn the tables, karma's that bitch. She don't knock, she don't call, she just show up. All the dirt that you did, yeah, it blow up. You can run from
Oh, you
the
said
game, but
MNQ
you
shakeout,
can't
not
from it.
RTY.
What goes
Gotcha.
round comes back. Remember this. Karma is a bitch, she don't forget. Every little lie, every broken bed. You can run from the truth, but the pain gon' hit. Karma on the right, yeah, she never quits. Windows tinted, heart cold, no forgiveness. I just ride with the beat, mind my business, pray for peace. But revenge got the twist down, though. Don't chase karma, handle this. Slow ride, no switch. Light slow, feel the itch. Life got rules.
Yeah, I'm just not really seeing anything worth trading here. It's just really not doing a whole lot here. Let's put it that way.
Yeah, it's one way of putting it.
Late night, city lights, I ride in silence. Thinking about the ones who left me in violence. They smile in your face and cut when you switch. But life got a balance. Karma's that bitch. Karma is a bitch. She don't forget every little lie, every broken bed. You can hide in the dark, but she'll find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left. I seen snakes turn friends.
Yeah, the price action sucks today. It's been like this, especially this last week, man.
Yeah.
Like August hasn't been very good, but especially like I would even say the last 2 or 3 weeks have been like this. Seems like we should be not trading New York and just trading Asia.
London.
Joy says if you trade the gamma, you'll see why. Oh, you're gonna call it soon, Skeletor? Just waiting for the top of the hour? Gotcha.
Yeah, I think I'm right there with Skeletor.
Yeah, me too. I mean, no need to like sit around and get induced into a bad trade.
And if you are gonna take a trade, keep it small, real small, because damn.
Zara says Asia's been good so far. So good. Yeah, it has. It's been pretty clean. Like yesterday, I mean, we've been ranging, but the moves have been pretty relatively clean. Not like what we're doing here, where we're just basically like
no, this is
chopping.
This is just
we got wicks on the top and the bottom of almost every candle, or it's just a super bullish or a super bearish candle. It's like, jeez.
more chop than a butcher shop.
Yeah. I got a bigger fish to fry today, other commitment. Okay, yeah. Okay, there's the hour. 8 a.m. here, or 8 a.m. my time, anyways. So 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Getting close to lunch here.
What do you have in your lunchbox today?
I'm going to the hospital today, in a few hours. Other than that, not a whole lot.
Karma is a bitch, she don't forget every little lie, every broken bet. You can run from the truth, but the pain gon' hit. Karma on the right, yeah, she never quits.
Right up to 600s here. Been resistance though.
Windows tinted, heart cold, no forgiveness. I just ride with the beat, mind my business, pray for peace. But revenge got the twist, down, don't chase karma, handle this. Yeah. Slow ride, no switch. Yeah. Light slow, feel the hitch. Life got rules, ain't no glitch. Remember always karma's that bitch. Yeah.
Fed Hammock was speaking earlier.
Only hammock I like is one I sleep on.
Right? And you know about the hammocks.
I do. I know more about hammocks than I should. Would you like a cold weather hammock? One suitable for camping in the woods in Utah? Would you like Utah,
with the mosquitoes.
Northern California? Like a beach hammock? What kind of hammock are you interested in?
Have you seen those like air bed things that people take to the beach? You kind of like fill it up with air, and it's not like a pumped one, but it's like you just kind of like scoop the air into it.
No,
Those things are.
I've seen the pump ones.
Nick or Dave, any big orders above MNQ price currently? Yeah, we got 282 contracts up at 650. 116 at 662, 123 at 630, 620 has 106. So most of the orders all above. So
This one's built to finally last. Economic calendar, every level marked so far. Nothing's moving, nothing's wrong.
And here comes NQ, just a dropping.
yeah,
I'm standing still. The best decisions need no thrill. For confirmation.
but is it going to? I don't know. It's just chopping here. Gonna go back up to the highs first, and then go back down, and then go back up, and go back down.
We're gonna have a triple break today. We already got a double break.
Like broke the high, Ivy high twice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, blow up couch on the beach. Yeah, it's kind of like this thin waterproof fabric, and then you just kind of like open one end, and you just kind of like swoop it, and then it'll like catch air, and then you just roll up one end, and it ends up being like this like big, like big cushiony thing that you can lay on.
That doesn't sound horrible.
Yeah. Super easy to like to fill with air, and yeah.
Wait, confirmation.
Trying to make a new high day here on NQ. Can't seem to get the momentum though. Couple high volume balls there, plus 1600 CVD.
Every move I choose to make should improve, not just my take. One clean entry, one clean exit. Small enough to always fix it.
Nice bounce off VWAP, 1 minute MNQ so far.
That's the only winning play.
Wayne.
Steady hands, every win
Yeah, I'm not chasing
But-
price up here.
Yeah,
Gotta wait
it's
for a pullback.
way too risky up here.
We're at the second deviation band. It has pulled back to VWAP and gone through it. Well, hell, on the 5-minute candles, it did it for 5 of them in a row.
Yeah.
10:25, or I'm sorry, 10:30, started coming down, came back all the way down to VWAP by 10:40, pushed up off of it, and is now looking like it may do the same thing again. I just can't justify getting into a long at the initial balance high if it doesn't push through it and close with some strength.
Yeah. Stuck high day supply zone so far.
I'm gonna go grab some more coffee. I'll be back.
I need to grab a refill too. See you in a minute.
Coffee's hot, screams
Chart posted, Dave?
blue and gold before
I saw it at 7:44 a.m. my time, so 10:44. Yeah, I see what you're talking about there. We're definitely back in that zone.
every level marked so far. Nothing's moving, nothing's wrong. The patient trader stays strong. The crowd is running, I'm standing still. The best decisions need no thrill. Wait for confirmation, trust your preparation. No hesitation.
Extended zone to right.
Let the market breathe. Don't chase what leaves. The edge comes quietly. One more candle, one more sign. Perfect setup, always right.
This area you're looking at. 420 to 460.
Everyone is buying highs, everyone believes the lies. Green can turn to red so fast, only discipline will last. Order blocks begin to form, liquidity before the storm. Price will tell me where to go, I don't need to force the flow. Not yet, not now, let it come. Watch it breathe, watch it build. One more candle. Wait, wait for confirmation.
Selling soon? Oh yeah, you're waiting for price to get up to this sort of in this area, hey? Joy? I meant to ask you, Dave, how's the family health situation going? Going better? Everything's stable, so still a bit of a, just some unknown stuff about obviously the future. But so far everything's pretty good. Thanks for asking. be pretty stressful sometimes though. Just, you know, just traveling back and forth to the hospital is a real pain in the butt, you know. Hospital's like a 45, 50-minute drive from here, so it's kind of consumes a lot of my time every day or every other day when I'm heading out there. So not trying to complain or anything, just it's just tough, you know. I'm heading out that way a little bit later today, so. Wow, Russell's looking strong. YM's looking strong. ES looking strong. NQ's just kind of like not doing a whole lot. As someone who's been in the hospital a lot, I know how much that means to have people there with you. Yeah. Yeah. I get that. If you don't mind, I'm gonna go grab a coffee quick too. I'll be right back.
Why would I mind?
Cool. Thank you.
Coffee's hot, screens ignite, blue and gold before first light. Yesterday is in the past. This one's built to finally last. Economic calendar, every level marked so far. Nothing's moving, nothing's wrong. The patient trader stay strong. The crowd is running. I'm standing still. The best decisions need no thrill.
Yes. Gone and gone. I don't think RTY wants to stop here. Expecting a little bit of a pullback, but we're heading up towards the previous week's point of control. We got on RTY, it's at 3,019.50, and we're at 3,018.50 right now. So one more point to go will be a previous week's point of control. It's going to be the pullback that I'm looking for.
The market doesn't know me, trades. It only offers different ways.
Get some buy volume balls in here now.
To make should improve, not just my take. One clean entry, one clean exit. Small enough to always fix it. Professional every day. Hey, that's the only winning play.
Quiet mind, steady hands. Every winner starts with wait for confirmation. Trust your preparation. No hesitation. Wait, let the market speak. No peace and peace.
1 minute MNQ, a lot of time above 9 EMA so far. I think RTY is actually going to push up a little bit here. If it makes it to the point of control. Previous week's point of control. We are getting more buyers in.
Trust, breathe, execute. Wait, trust, execute.
Oh, we were getting more buyers in. And then they disappeared.
Wait for confirmation.
Coffee's hot, the screens ignite. Blue and gold.
It might be about time to take a short on RTY. We got
This one's built to finally last. Economic calendar. Every level
Oh, look at that. Where did we go?
nothing's moved,
Nowhere.
nothing's wrong. The patient
Uh,
stays
I just put in a RTY short. Stalled out just under the previous week's point of control.
oh, nice, yeah.
We're getting a lot more selling on the tape here.
You should have been trading MES. I know, right? MES has just been going straight up to pre-market high. Swept it there. Yeah, Jerry made some good money early on there trading MES. He just bought the dips a couple times, and I don't know, man. For a while there, I was trading MES in New York and NQ in Asia, just because, you know, the speed of the moves are so different, right? Maybe I should go back to that.
Yeah, MES in New York is hard right now. Or I'm sorry, NQ in New York is really hard right now.
Yeah, I mean, look at those swings, like 100+ point swings in a matter of like 10 minutes. Not even 2 minutes. These 5-minute candles are from the low to the high, 150 points. Every 5 minutes, 150 points up and then 150 points down. Like, what the heck?
Yeah, you know, that's where if you get good with that reverse button.
Yeah, right. But how do you know where to take profit, right?
Yep. It's not something that I'm suggesting.
Yeah.
The market doesn't know me trades. It only offers different ways. Every move I choose to make should improve, not just my take. One clean entry, one clean exit. Small enough to always fix it. Professional every day.
Thinking of incorporating Uncle Drysdale VWAP fade at the top and bottom method in this market like this. Yeah, that's probably working really good.
It's working okay for me. I like the his book on the VWAP wave strategy. It's one of my favorite trading books.
We just had some orders coming on bookmap 29,500.
So you're saying I should take a long here?
Can't get any momentum in either direction here on NQ. Looked like it was going to continue breaking down there and just bounce right back up. Hey, you guys haven't left yet, enjoying the stream for now? Thanks, Skeltar. Probably pretty boring stream so far, but
Yeah,
thanks
this
for
is
hanging out. Appreciate the support. We're getting outpaced on YouTube by X today.
Yeah, because nobody wants to be sitting in this chop fest on a Thursday.
Yeah. We got the half-hour candle coming up here. We can always end it relatively soon. Nice short above +2 divs. MNQ or ES.
Coffee's hot, the screens ignite. Blue and gold before first light. Yesterday is in the past. This one's built to finally last.
Still got like 300 contracts up at 29,650.
Yeah, I see 301 sitting there, and then 108 at 662.50.
Patient trader, stay strong.
And 700 has 234. It's just when are they going to try to go there is the question.
Yeah, that is the question.
Yeah, it's been dead these days, Big T. Yeah. The lunchtime volume dropping off. Wayne says, Nick, are you still short?
Oh no, I closed out of it.
Oh man, I gotta go bathroom again. Jeez, too much coffee.
What is going on with you? A bladder infection? Do you need some cranberry juice?
Everyone is buying highs, everyone believes the lies. Green can turn to red so fast. Only discipline will last. Order blocks begin to form. Liquidity before the storm. Price will tell me where to go. I don't need to force the flow. Not yet, not now. Let it come. Watch it breathe, watch it build. One more candle. Wait, wait, confirmation.
Oh, night build, you switched to Heiken-Ashi and got a smoother look and got good 100 plus in 2 accounts. Nice. I know Dave put on some Depends so I don't have to leave. This is what
I need
happens when
the,
you have too many cups of coffee in the morning. You gotta pee a lot.
You know what? Just start selling Market Butcher branded catheters.
Yeah,
I'll do the advertisements for you.
nice.
Have you ever been in a trade? It's going in your direction and you want to manage it, but you have to take a leak really bad. We have a solution for you. Market Butcher's own comfort insert catheters. All you need to supply is a Home Depot bucket and your wiener.
Right. I have
Yay,
so
nay.
I'm a dry suit diver. They have you actually can get condom catheters so you can pee out of your dry suit.
You can get the same thing for Mardi Gras in New Orleans. So that's one of the very few things that you'll get arrested for is pissing in the alleys.
Oh really?
Yeah, when you're in New Orleans, you can actually buy those things.
It's like a condom catheter that goes to a bag or something?
Goes right out the bottom of your pant leg.
Oh no way. You're just standing there and just like water drizzling it out below you.
I've never used one, but I have seen them and chuckled.
Yeah. Big Teflon goes, Market Butcher, piss in a bottle. That's true. It is just below the camera. You guys wouldn't even be able to tell.
Yeah, I think we'd be able to tell just by the way you're wiggling around.
Like, ah. Like, why is he sighing on stream? The relief is real.
Why does he look so relieved right now?
Oh, Night Bill goes, oh man, I'm not gonna make a new AI song. I'm not gonna make a new AI song.
Mustang trader pissing in a bottle.
I think if I made a song, it would have to have a police vibe. Oh yeah.
Wait for confirmation.
Pushing back down here. I just can't even trust this market, man. I just don't even know what to do with it right now, to be honest.
Just point the business under your catheter at it.
Yeah. It seems so, Jerry. Actually, I think I lost a couple subscribers. Lost like 2 for some reason. But yeah, I've been stuck at 2090. In this, I think, so I'm kind of figuring out what's going on with the whole YouTube algorithm. Like, I built up a bunch of momentum, right? And then as soon as you end up missing a trading session, it's just like you just fall off. The algorithm just falls off. Doesn't share you anymore, right? So yeah, I'm not sure. I think last time what helped is I did a couple extra evening streams, sort of like rebuild the momentum. I don't know if that's what helped it, but
Just took an RTY long off that pullback there. Locking in 20 bucks. Made 20 bucks.
there you go, 20 bucks.
Yep. All right. I think that's gonna be it for the stream now, because that was just stupid. I think the last hour of today will be the trade I will look for. The death hour.
Oh, the market imbalance, or the sort of whatever power hour.
Power hour.
Power. It's the power. Well, as long as they hold, I mean, this could still go higher here, but they need to hold the VWAP basically. If they can hold the VWAP, they could kind of like have a higher low or a higher low from that recent low at what time was this? 10:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if they can hold that level, that'd be interesting. Back to the 550s again. So we'll see how it goes to Nigeria. I'll be back on tonight for the evening session. So tapped into the 550s there.
Got a lot of resting orders at 500.
Yeah, I see that. 219-ish.
And 220 at 700.
Yeah, I see that also, yeah. And surprisingly on the book map, it doesn't show, like, it's not a very bright line for having 200 contracts there.
It's because it's 150 points away.
Oh, okay. I didn't know
Is it as it goes through the 625 level, that
Yeah.
700 level will light up on you.
Gotcha. Yeah, I've never really noticed that part before, but it kind of makes sense.
All right. Well, I believe with all of my blackened little heart that this might be the end of the day.
See you all day today.
Yeah, it's looking like MNQ is going to touch VWAP.
Yeah.
So on that note, Dave, drive safely on the way to the hospital.
Thanks. Sounds good.
Don't do anything I would do. And I will see you tomorrow. I may come in and make a couple of horrible comments in your stream tonight.
Okay. Sounds
But-
good.
Other than that, I think I'm done here.
Sounds good, Nick.
All right,
Yeah, I
I'll
think
see you
we're gonna
tomorrow.
wrap it up here pretty much too, so. And just says bye, Dad.
Screens ignite, blue and gold before first light. Yesterday is in the past. This one's built
Okay, Wayne, see you tonight.
last. Economic calendar, every level marked so far. Nothing's moving, nothing's wrong. The patient trader stays strong. The crowd is running, I'm standing still. The best decisions
Alright, let's see here. Alright, top fans. Wayne, Angia, Nightbuild Audio, Skeletor, Joy, Big Teflon, EC, All Day Today, Jerry Trades, Lone Wolf. Lone Wolf, Mick Riker, Tim Core, Blackout News Network, and Yamadad. Oh, I missed Yamadad earlier. I must have been away when he made a comment there. What did Yamadad say? How did I? Oh, there we go. It's out of good morning. That was at 8:20, so about 20 minutes ago. Hey, Angia, God bless you also. God bless you. Alright, everybody. I'll try to sign on tonight. See you all later. Okay, see you guys. Thanks a lot. And you guys have a great day. Stay safe. You know, don't push your luck today. You know, it's a rough trading session, guys. So, anyways, Thanks so much, everybody. I appreciate you guys. We will catch you on the flip side. See you guys tonight, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll see how it goes. If I end up getting back from the hospital somewhat early, maybe I'll just hop on early too. Why not? Let's try to get some. I gotta try to get this momentum going back into the YouTube channel here. I really need to start pumping out some actual videos, but again, I'm just sort of swamped with time. Maybe what I should do is start doing little update videos while I'm at, you know, just have a little chat, like a little straight up face. Just record myself talking to you guys for a quick short and just like put it out there and just start putting these out just so I can have some more content to get out there just to keep the channel busy, right? So that's one thing that haven't been able to do lately is get any extra content out. You know, I have some really good ideas that I've been trying to work on. Recorded, you know, I had a nice inverted fair value gap trade that I was gonna post, and I haven't been able to finish editing it. I got another idea for another video that I was working on, but just haven't been able to get them finished. You know, too much external issues pulling me all directions right now. So, but maybe what I should do, like I said, is just start doing a couple, you know, just like a quick short video recording, sort of like of, you know, a little psychological conversation or a little talk about, you know, what's happening in the market and everything. So market update, monthly market update, something, I don't know. Anyways, guys, thanks so much. Appreciate you guys. See you guys tonight. And yeah, trade safe. Have a great day, and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye, guys. Pick some coconuts. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye. Catch you later.